go eat all of it.
You gonna put your toys away? Good girl.
Hello? What, you got check? Where you at? You got more work? What's that? Yeah. I'm not picking up. Okay, alright. I can come right now and, go through this all. Okay, go.
You need some help? You want Mommy to help you? Mommy help you, honey. Oh, you want Daddy to help you? You miss your daddy, don't you? Say thank you, Daddy. That's what the knife is for, honey. Here, use your knife. Here, use your knife.
Bye. Be right back.
Bye, Daddy. What do you see? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Oh, yes.
Who's this?
You're George?
What about that George?
Okay.
What about this one? Who's that?
Oh.
George? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Oh,
Which one? Who's that?
no.
Who? Where's George? Where's George? Is this George? Is this George? You're tired? You gonna go to sleep? Night night. Night night, Charlotte. That's not George. This is George. Is this George? Here, you take George. Is this George? Who's that? Is that George? That's not